Marble cake, one of the best cake you can make. One egg only. One egg to make this loaf of marble cake. One egg, quarter cup of oil, 40 gram, half cup of yogurt, 100 gram, and half cup of sugar, 100 gram. Later on, we'll added half cup of milk and 1 cup of flour, 140 gram. We added pinch of vanilla. This 1 cup, 140 gram. Vanilla, very important. And half a spoon of baking powder, like 3 gram. Half a spoon of baking soda, like 3 gram. We mix all together. You don't need anything. You don't need whisk. You don't need machine. It's so easy recipe in few minutes. Now we have the batter for the cake. What we do, if you want vanilla, you just bake it like that. If you wanted marble cake, we'll take a little bit of the batter and added 1 spoon of cacao and 1 spoon of oil just to make it dark. That's it. You can see the color change to dark batter, and then we add it to the mold. How easy is it? But here is so easy technique I always do. I spray the mold. This mold 20 centimeter and 8 centimeter wide. 1 spoon white, 1 spoon dark, 1 spoon white, 1 spoon dark, till finish all the quantity. In the same time, I preheat my oven at least 10 minutes before I bake the marble cake. 1 steak, we just mix it, shake it to take all bubbles up. You just bake in the oven 175 degrees. It takes 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, oh my goodness, one of the best cake you ever do. Marble cake, so easy. I forgot, before you take out from the oven, you must put steak, and if comes clean, that means bake. If not, you keep it for 5 minutes extra. This is very important step. And when you slice it, ooh, this is what we're looking for. Bon appetit to everybody. Please, if you like the video, make share with your friend and leave comment below.